Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, April 4th, 2012. This morning we had a total of 2 executable KISS signals for a max potential of 15 ES ticks per contract traded and 5 junkie band trades for a total of 3.25 ES points. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability KISS trade setup and give you a feel for the number of trades taken each morning in our live room. Our full trading plan, educational DVDs, and trading room access can be found on our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, just to remind you, these teal bands you see on the line, we call these our micro junkie bands. And these are areas that we give to our members of our trading room each morning that signify areas of support and resistance that we expect the market to react to throughout the day. And you can see as the market moves around in here, you can see how it bounces back and forth between those levels. When it breaks down, we move to the next level, etc. And another item I want to pull your attention to is these green dots that's moving down above the market here. That is a trailing stop, and that is for a junkie trail trade we do. Now, unfortunately, this particular trail took a place this morning up around 1406. It actually happened late last night. It happened during the Globex session, and the market, you have been trailing that down, but we are not counting that trade in our video today, as that was a trade that would have been entered pre-market or during the Globex session, so we will not count it in our wrap-up that we're doing here for the morning session. So with that, let's talk about our 2 junkie band trades. Our first trade was a signal long that happened right around 950. As the market pulled back into our gold line here, you can see we bounced right up to our junkie band. That gave us a KISS long for 7 ticks. And then we'll go ahead and show you the second KISS signal. It happened later in the day. It was around 1120. Again, we came up to our moving average, had a signal to get long. The market bounced and gave us an opportunity to get 8 ticks to the upside on that second KISS trade. And what I want to talk about on this junkie band situation is what we call a junkie reload. We were looking to get short with a KISS short signal, and the market just moved too fast for us. We didn't get an official KISS short signal. However, as the market did pull back here about 1020, we got into one of our junkie reload areas, and as the market rolls over, we look to take profit as it comes back into our micro band. Here it was just a small 3-tick winner, nothing real big there, but as we had this next push down at 1030, that pullback towards the gold line, that gave us an opportunity to reload once again. And if you look at this chart, as we push down from band to band with that entry near that gold line, that gave us 12 ticks to the downside, or 3 ES points. The market bounced off that level, came up, gave you one last reload, and unfortunately for us, we came right down by the band, missed our target by a tick, and you can see it reversed up and went right through that green trailing stop. And when it went through that green trailing stop, it created a stop out on that reload, so you missed, you got a 3-tick loss on that particular last reload entry. And then we pick up a long signal as well on another contract. We call that a junkie trail trade. And if I zoom over here to the right, you'll see where that trail ultimately was stopped out right here at 90.75. So our entry was actually stopped out, so we took another 5-tick loss on that junkie trail. However, we did push up to our micro band, pulled back to a nice reload area, and got one rotation up to the upside. So we actually picked up 6 ticks on the reload. So we were able to capitalize on the reload for 6 ticks. However, we took a little bit of a loss, a 3-tick loss on the I'm sorry, a 5-tick loss on the junkie trail. So all in all, it was a pretty great day for us. 2 KISS trades, 15 ES ticks, and 5 junkie band trades for 3.25 points. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.